But they all have something on them. Might be a good one just to kind of focus on sometime. If you want me to focus on this wall, just let me know and I'll come back and do that.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
go check out the room.
Chiquinha,
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna film up on an overpass, and what's interesting about this overpass is that we can overlook. We're gonna try to look around a little bit and see. So over here you can see this soccer field, and take a look. So actually, it's kind of hard to get in here, but if you do go in there, you have to have the proper attire. So some guys kind of has a cool hat there. And then over in the background you can see Galaxy. So there's a Galaxy Casino, which is quite large. You can see this part right here, but then there's another part over here too. So there's and then this green part is also part of it. And then it goes over, there's another gold part over there. So it's and there's another building behind it. So it's kind of like a 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of like much bigger than you think. And then inside all of it is a big swimming pool. It's like over here, Taipa Village is not too far away. So you have these apartments, and it's kind of cool. So this is frame in on this. That's kind of interesting right there. So you can frame in on things. It's kind of cool. So this apartment overlooks Taipa Village and also that court. So yeah, actually that's interesting. So okay. So it kind of has these cool colors, and then you can see this colors kind of everywhere. And then way over there is Taipa Village, which we can't really see very well. Actually, it's so funny, like you can see. So you can see there's that lady was there. Yeah, everybody's awake and at home. So okay. And then down here, this street goes into Flower City, it's called. And you can kind of see into the street a little bit. There's some restaurants, lots of banana trees in the middle. Let's walk over that way a little bit. Oh, actually, I'll just try to slowly move it. There's also some beautiful trees over here too, right? Before we walk over there, this is the walkway. So you can take either the stairs to go down, or you can take this walkway and go down. Then there's a bus stop over here. Several bus stops, so there's one there. And this one right here too. So this is zoom in so you can kind of see the structure of them. So you can sit down in those seats like that and wait for your bus, see if it'll zoom, if it'll focus a little bit. And then over on the other side is this one. This has a bus stop and also kind of a little bar area. Bar 171. There's a little balcony, you can sit there too. See that balcony in there? So okay, so this is kind of an overpass that you can see what's above you. And that's one of our street scenes right there. All the green foliage kind of eat up some of the little ramp that's that way. And then this escalator that's this way, and a stairwell, so you can take any one of those three. And here's our bar right there. So some people, wow, this is a kind of cool spot too right there. It'd be an interesting place to have an apartment. You just sit right there. So right there. Zoom in, happy hour. I guess technically you could read some of those if you want to try to read it. I can barely read it, but they all have something on them. Might be a good one just to kind of focus on sometime. If you want me to focus on this wall, just let me know and I'll come back and do that.